Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. I'm excited to bring you this unit this morning because this is a very well equipped, hard to find 274 DBH Plus. The plus means it's got an extra slide in the bunk room. Starting off with the regular wonderful Cherokee stuff, we got a walkable roof, an aerodynamic front end, all aluminum. This unit is stock number 7680. Again, it's a Forest River Cherokee Limited 274 DBH. Electric front jack. Dad, that's going to keep your life easy. Electric awning. Rounded radius doors. Now Cherokee this year is using the friction door hinge. Notice? No more plastic junky or even metal door holdbacks. It'll take a 25-mile-an-hour wind to move that door. That'd probably be enough to tear it off the hinge anyway. This is a full pass-through storage. Get to it from both sides or under the bed. And guys, here's one of them things that makes this a little bit unique. This is called the Bone Crusher Stereo System. You're not going to have the wimpy little tinny sounding stereo that your neighbor has. Take a walk around the driver's side. Take a look at that deep slide out. The best slide system in the industry. Outside shower, fresh water and city water fill. There's the double slide we were talking about. Rear carrier, bike rack, gas grill, firewood, coolers, you name it. It's possible to have a backup camera. It's pre-wired. Door into the bathroom, so when you're sitting outside enjoying your company, nobody has to track through the whole house. You're right into the bathroom with this door. It's a nice feature, the black tank flush. Exceptional feature. See the little green 65 on the valve stem. When it turns red, you got to put air in it. Easy lube axles behind that centerpiece with a Zert fitting. Speakers, TV mount. Big grab handle to help me get in. This unit comes in at a dry weight of 73.59, and the sturdy frame can carry an additional 25.88. Not that you ever would. Beautiful Forest River flooring. Wide open floor plan. Plenty of counter space. New Suburban top. Big Norcold refrigerator. Solid doors into the master bedroom. Beautiful faux rock. Not just a shirt closet, but a coat closet. Nice sized bed with lights and electricity on both sides. TV mount for the bedroom. Again, nice solid doors. U-shaped dinette. Comfortable jackknife. This is probably the biggest pantry you'll ever see. If you need more storage than that, Mom, something's wrong. tub shower, foot flush stool, skylight. One of my favorites. Fantastic vent. That'll move some air. Days like today where you don't need heat or air conditioning yet, it'll put a nice breeze in here. All right, this is the cube system. That'll make a big queen size bed for adults, a couple twins. Sleep at least 2 very comfortably there. 3, 4, 5. At least 1 is 6, 7, 8. Deep, deep slide. Give us a call, folks. You'll be glad you did.